you must remember that a landlord, a private landlord, cannot simply go in and change the locks. They cannot simply throw you out on the streets. That's unlawful eviction. They have to go and get a court order.
My landlord wants to evict me and I have nowhere to go. What can I do? Hello and welcome to our podcast at Get Legally Speaking. Our legal conversation today will be about property law. How can you protect your interest in that property if you're not on the deeds, if you're not on the mortgage? What about a deed of trust? My neighbour and I are in a dispute over who owns the land in between our properties. How can I look at who actually owns the land? Don't forget to click and subscribe to our podcasts, and you can find us on Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn by searching Get Legally Speaking. Also visit our website at getlegallyspeaking.com.